Hey everybody, so we were going to look at this fifth wheel that we were interested in buying it, but at the same time more just seeing how they remodeled it, because they basically just gutted the whole thing. From my understanding anyway, they gutted the whole camper and then remodeled it, and they put everything residential in it. So it was really interesting seeing that. Unfortunately, looking at the specs of it, we were not personally able to purchase it for the fact that it was going to weigh more than what our truck allowed. I like the big back window here.
And then you got the washer dryer thing here.
That is amazing. And then a lot of storage. The shower. Wow. That's amazing. I like how it has a toilet though, kind of in the corner out of the way. Oh, that's the washer.
Yeah.
I guess that's the stove.
That's the stove.
These
and
things
all
are heavy.
I know.
Good
That thing's
grief.
ridiculous.
Slide open.
Double fridge, double freezer.
Wow, those are nice. And these are like a two-piece, so these things are so heavy. I'm like lifting up. The way that they did the upgrade was just outstanding. It was very homey. The shower was amazing. The living room was great. And it's actually the floor plan that we were looking for, having the front living and then the bedroom in the back, which the bedroom, as you've seen, it was just phenomenal. I mean, it was huge. I love the big open back window. The front living was just great. There was opposing slides. There is 5 slides on this camper. So this is the Montana that we've seen. Unfortunately, it's not going to work for us because it's too heavy for the truck. But the inside is gorgeous. This other camper, the other fifth wheel, they are in the process of upgrading that, so you'd have to contact her to see when that would be available. Just yet because it has a lot of outside work, but we finally found a detail place for that goes on the outside that waxes them and they bring it right back to
Oh,
the
really?
base to get so it was just going to sell that Montana so bad. Now that it's been sitting here, it's been here longer than we ever expected. This is the Momentum we just looked at. Get some of the specs for you. So I just wanted to give that a little update. Her information will be in the comments down below. I think that is all. So thank you for watching. You have a great day.